Welcome everybody. Today we're kicking off my birthday week celebration here at Disneyland. We're going to be doing some fun stuff. We're going to be checking out the Pixar fireworks and everything else like that. Anyways, my name's Michael. These are my adventures, so let's get going. Well, hey, we're back at Disneyland. It's my birthday tomorrow, but we're gonna check out a bunch of the stuff here for Pixar Fest and do all that kind of thing and see what kind of mischief. We're also gonna hopefully catch fireworks one of these days. For 2 days we don't catch fireworks one time, I'm gonna be super upset. But yeah, anyways, let's get into some mischief.
Inside a cave, too dark to find our way out with the water level rising.
I never should have left the tower. This is all my fault, Flynn.
Eugene.
What?
My real name is Eugene Fitzherbert. Someone might as well know.
Well, I've got magic hair that glows when I sing.
What?
I've got magic hair that glows when I sing.
Rapunzel's hair illuminated the water with its magic light, and thus it led them out of the cave! Huzzah!
Well, went and saw the Rapunzel show, as always, amazing as always. Got to see them briefly and talk to them. They were amazing as always. I didn't record it, just took some photos and stuff like that. But we're gonna go do something else. I don't know what yet, but we'll figure it out. Figure it out.
Isn't that beautiful Snow White?
Hi-ho, it's off to work we go.
So we're gonna go check out the room here shortly. I did put a specific request in for a specific room, but this hallway looks amazing. It smells new still, so that's super cool. But yeah, let's go check out the room. Alrighty, here we are. Look at that. Got nice little kitchen area. These come with the good robes. And this is the sleeping beauty room, so that will light up on top of the bed. And we've got just a standard view. I don't know if I can figure out where. There's the end. You get to stare at the convention center and a few houses as it's blown out. But nice, lovely mirror. And there's that. Nice mirror here. And then the bathroom. Let me turn. There we go. I got the nice little lights there. Super nice shower. Love that. I love the artwork in here too. It's super, super cool. Love it. This room is gonna be awesome. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So we actually got in line for Incredicoaster, to which then it promptly broke down. People are still like stuck on it and getting off, which is super fun. But we decided to go over to Lamplight Boardwalk and get some food and some drinks. So I got the Neverland cocktail, which is a secret menu item, if you don't know. There's a secret menu here. There are even, if you go downstairs, you can actually talk to some of the bartenders, and some of them have drinks that they've made themselves that are even more secret than the secret menu. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy this, and then I think we're doing Guardians, and then we're gonna hop over and catch the parade, and then we're probably gonna pop back to the hotel and catch the pool for at least a little bit, because to be honest, I don't do that enough when I say Disney resorts. So we're gonna do that, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Magic happens. I don't know if I recorded any of that, to be honest, but we caught some of it. We're gonna go check out the pool, hang out there for a bit, and then we're gonna go catch fireworks. Hopefully, as long as the wind holds. We'll see. I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a minute.
I have just met you, and I love you. Squirrel.
James B. Sullivan.
Mike Wazowski. Listen, it was great delightful meeting you, but I have to study my scaring.
You don't need to study scaring, you just do it.
Hey, what you doing? Can I help you?
Hi, I'm Dory.
Something's wrong with you. Read it.
I've never met nobody like you. Have learned to have bad buddies. It's true, but they don't turn my tummy the way you do.
I'll have old Buzz Lightyear to keep me company for infinity and beyond.
So, we are spending time in Trader Sam's. Food time. And whatever sort of craziness happens to happen. It's the end of the night. I'm sitting here in my Disneyland robe under the Sleeping Beauty Castle, headboard that is beautiful. I don't know if I like this one more or less than the regular Disneyland one. I haven't decided yet. I will say though, this one doesn't come with a music box, which low-key kind of love. Anyways, today was kind of just disjointed day. We flew in, did a few things, probably a little bit of a shorter vlog, but that's okay. We got to do a couple things we haven't, but tomorrow is going to be probably jam-pack loaded. We are doing Plaza Inn in the morning. Oh, by the way, if you don't know, tomorrow's my birthday. So we're doing Plaza in the morning. We're going to say hi to a bunch of characters. Say hi to a few other characters. Hi to some more characters. Probably catch Magic Happens again. Hopefully catch the Star Wars fireworks. Fingers crossed. See. But, yeah. Today was a good day. I love this room. I really do. It's a very nice room. It's probably... I need to make a list of, like, where my rooms are. I mean, obviously this is only, you know, not even one night full, but I should make a list of rooms and stuff like that and kind of rank them as I'm staying in them. Anyways, I really like this room. I really, really like this room. I love Disneyland Hotel as a whole. This room is beautiful. I love that it is Sleeping Beauty themed. I did specifically request this room, but still, I love it. I mean, for some of you might know, Rapunzel and Sleeping Beauty are my two favorite princesses. They tend to flip-flop back and forth between which one's number one and which one's number two, but I really do. I love this. I love this room, so we will definitely be coming back here again. But anyways, thank you all for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day, wherever it is that you are, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to do all the stuff down below. You know, like, comment, do all that other, you know, something or whatever. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's my birthday, and yeah, it'll be an exciting day. See you guys then. Bye.